Still in module 7. This time the wireless internet-based broadband and VPN. The wireless technology uses the unlicensed radio spectrum to send and receive data. The unlicensed spectrum is accessible to anyone who has wireless router and wireless technology in the device they are using. Until recently, one limitations of wireless access has been the need to be within the local transmission range, typically less than 100 feet, of a wireless router or wireless modem that had a wired connection to the internet. Number one wireless internet-based broadband technology is the municipal Wi-Fi. Under this technology, many cities have begun setting up municipal wireless networks. Some of these networks provide high-speed internet access for free or for substantially less than the price of other broadband services. Others are for city use only, allowing police and fire departments and other city employees to do certain aspects of their jobs remotely. To connect to municipal Wi-Fi, a subscriber typically needs a wireless modem, which provides a stronger radio and directional antenna than conventional wireless adapters. Most service providers provide the necessary equipment for free or for a fee, much like they do with DSL or cable modem. And the second one is the cellular. This is another wireless internet-based technology. Increasingly, cellular service is another wireless WAN technology being used to connect users and remote locations where no other WAN access technology is available. Many users with a smartphone and tablets can use cellular data to email, surf the web, download apps, and watch videos. Phones, tablets, tablet computers, laptops, and even some routers can communicate through the internet using cellular technology. These devices use radio waves to communicate through a nearby mobile phone tower. The device has a small radio antenna, and the provider has a much larger antenna sitting at the top of the tower somewhere within miles of the phone. So the following are two common cellular industry terms: the 3G, 4G, and 5G wireless. These are abbreviations for third generation, fourth generation, and the emerging fifth generation mobile wireless technologies. These technologies support wireless internet access. The 4G standard supports bandwidth up to 450 Mbps download and 100 Mbps upload. The emerging 5G standard should support 100 Mbps up to 10 gigabit per second and beyond. And another is the long-term evolution, or LTE. This refers to the newer and faster technology, and it is part of fourth generation technology. Another one is the satellite internet, typically used by rural users or in remote locations where cable and DSL are not available. To access satellite internet services, subscribers need satellite dish, two modems, uplink and downlink, and coaxial cables between the dish and the modem. Specifically, a router connects to a satellite dish which is pointed to a service provider satellite. This satellite is in a geosynchronous orbit in space. The signal must travel approximately 35,786 kilometers or 22,236 miles to the satellite and back. The primary installation requirement is for the antenna to have a clear view towards the equator, where most orbiting satellites are stationed. Trees and heavy rains can affect the reception of the signals. Satellite internet provides two-way upload and download data communications. Upload speeds are about 1/10 of the download speed. Download speed range from 5 Mbps to 25 Mbps. And another technology is the WiMAX. WiMAX, worldwide interoperability for microwave access, or WiMAX, is a new technology that is just beginning to come into use. It is described in IEEE standard 802.16. WiMAX provides high-speed broadband service with wireless access and provides broad coverage like cell phone network rather than through small Wi-Fi hotspots. WiMAX operates in a similar way to Wi-Fi but a higher speeds over greater distances and for a greater number of users. It uses a network of WiMAX tower that are like cell phone towers. To access a WiMAX networks, users must subscribe to an ISP with WiMAX tower that is within 30 miles of their location. They also need some type of WiMAX receiver and special encryption code to get access to the base station. WiMAX is largely been replaced by LTE for mobile access and cable, or DSL for fixed access. Now, in VPN technology, the VPN is an encrypted connection between private networks over public networks, such as the internet. Instead of using dedicated layer 2 connections, such as a leased line, a VPN uses virtual connections called VPN tunnels. The VPN tunnels are routed through the internet from the private network of the company to the remote sites of or employee host. The following are several benefits for using VPN. Number one is cost savings. VPN enables organizations to use the global internet to connect remote offices and to connect remote users to the main corporate site. This eliminates expensive dedicated WAN links and modem banks. Another benefit is the security. VPN provide the highest level of security by using advanced encryption and authentication protocols that protects data from unauthorized access. Another benefit is the scalability. Because VPN use the internet infrastructure with ISP and devices, it is easy to add new users. Corporations can add large amount of capacity without adding significant infrastructure. Another is the compatibility with broadband technology. VPN technology is supported by broadband services providers such as DSL and cable. VPN allow mobile workers and telecommuters to take advantage of their home high-speed internet service to access their corporate networks. Business-grade high-speed broadband connections can also provide a cost-effective solutions for connecting remote offices. And VPN are commonly implemented as the following. Number one, it can be implemented as site-to-site VPN. In this implementation, VPN settings are configured on routers. Clients are unaware that their data is being encrypted. And the other one is the remote access. The user is aware and initiate remote access connections. For example, using HTTPS is a browser to connect to your bank. Alternatively, the user can run VPN client software. So, more details will be discussed on the VPN on the next module.